to make healthy eating easier, we call it the easy button, is we gather together as a community and we bring in different salad toppings in order to meal prep for the week. And so a couple tools that you'll need is you'll want to grab a bunch of your friends and tell them bring one salad topping to a certain time and date. Then you want to grab a mason jar or several mason jars, and you don't want to get the small ones because these small ones here, these ones are just typical size. You want to get the big wide mouth. These are quart size. And so once you gather a bunch of your friends over, then you can layer in this mason jar from the wet stuff on the bottom all the way to the dry, and then the green leafy stuff on the top. The reason why you want to do that is make sure that the green leafy stuff on the top doesn't get all soggy by all the peas and the tomatoes and the berries and all the stuff at the bottom. So you can see here I've got quinoa, I have carrots and olives and spinach and kale and pine nuts, all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to show you just how much food you can pack into this and all the phytonutrients that you can punch in there. So this is all the food that you can fit into a single quart size wide mouth mason jar. Now you want to make sure that when you are putting this on your plate that you empty out from the top to the bottom, which is exactly how you would create your normal salad. And so if you were to make the salad on your own, just without a mason jar, then you would have obviously the green leafy stuff at the bottom, and then you would start piling on stuff like your carrots and tomatoes and cucumbers, and then your wet stuff on the top. Now, if you want to put a salad dressing on there, then you can. I typically don't, just so I can preserve it a little longer, and they can last about 5 days. So that is from one jar here, and I'll show you what that looks like. That is your salad. Folks, this is big enough that you could probably fit enough food in there for 2 people. And they last pretty long. So that's our Meal Prep 101 tip for today. That is a salad in a jar. And if you'd like to be invited to our Facebook page, then you can like down below, comment down below, or message me, and I'll add you to our Healthy Living Facebook group where you can learn healthy tips and tricks in order to make healthy living easy. Thanks for tuning in to today's 2-Minute New Tip, and we'll see you tomorrow.